through this process of thinking about something that you want in your life over and over again, the desire will become a driving force. It'll become motivation to get you to move into action. And then what you do is when you practice this, 10, 15 minutes a day, 20, 30 minutes a day, and you're thinking about things that you want and you're associating, appreciation and positive, you're feeling the positive things, you're putting that stuff into you, it's going to become a force inside of you. And it's going to become part of your self-talk because you thought about it over and over and over and over again, with slight variations for 10, 15 minutes in the morning. In the afternoon, you're going to be thinking about it, which is a good thing because you're thinking about what you want instead of the negative things that you don't like or the neutral things. Hey, if you watched a great movie last night and yet you're out in your workplace and you have something important happening, it's better not to think about the movie you watched last night, wasn't it? It's better to be clear of mind, being aware of where you are and the outcome that you want, and then engage pictures. And of course, communicate effectively with words if part of your task of what you're wanting to create involves communication with other people. But when you're clear of mind, aware of what you want, and creating clear of mind with pictures 1,000 times faster with words from time to time, right? Your life's going to get better.